Hi viewers, welcome to Rasa Will Swag. Today I am going to make Amlyacha Kharda, that is gooseberry chutney. For that I have taken 5 gooseberry and sliced and kept here, 1 tablespoon peanut, handful of coriander leaves chopped. After washing the coriander, pat dry and ensure that there is no water content in it. 1 tablespoon jaggery, quarter teaspoon jeera, salt as required, 4 garlic pods, turmeric powder, 2 green chilli I have taken. This is very spicy. I need less spice, so I have taken only 2. If you want, you can add 3 to 4 according to your requirement. We'll put 1 teaspoon of oil. It's hot. We'll put the peanut in it. We'll roast the peanut. Peanut is roasted. Now we'll add the cumin seeds in it. Then goes the garlic, green chili, garlic is cooked well. We'll add the turmeric powder, the amla slices, cook the amla for 3 minutes. Don't cover it. The amla should not become mushy. 2-3 minutes I have cooked this. Now add salt. Give a good mix. Switch off the gas and allow to cool. Ensure that the amla is completely cooled. Then you put it in the mixer. Add the chopped coriander and the jaggery and use the injure to grind this to a coarse paste. I use the injure for grinding this. We need a coarse paste like this. See? If you want, you can pulse it one more time, but I prefer like this. This is shared by my friend Trupti Desphande from Bangalore in our simpleindianrecipes.com group. Thank you, Trupti, for sharing this wonderful recipe. So this Amla Chutney, Amlyacha Kharda is ready here to serve. This you can keep it in the fridge and use it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. After pulsing it for 2 more times, that is 5 times I have pulsed it. This is the texture. This is also coarse only. You can also grind the same in with mortar and pestle. Once again, special thanks to Trupti.